The world of marketing is poised to change significantly in the next few years, all due to the profound changes made in the world of artificial intelligence, or AI. And while this technology is changing rapidly, there is a wide body of knowledge and tools that you can leverage to guide your way through these exciting changes. But that's where this course comes in. You'll learn how to harness the incredible power of AI and revolutionize your marketing strategies. You'll uncover the knowledge and tools to supercharge your content creation using AI. You'll discover how AI can provide you with profound customer insights, allowing you to tailor your marketing messages to individual preferences and behaviors. By leveraging AI, you'll predict trends, anticipate customer needs, and make smarter marketing decisions that yield impressive results. But using AI in marketing isn't just about the possibilities. It's also about using it responsibly. Throughout the course, you'll delve into the ethical considerations surrounding AI usage, ensuring that you have the knowledge and understanding to implement AI in an ethical and socially responsible manner. Whether you're just starting your AI journey or have some experience under your belt, this course is designed to meet your needs. You'll come away with a solid foundation in AI for marketing, and for those already familiar with AI, you'll identify ways to optimize your use of AI tools and strategies. No matter your level of expertise, you'll gain actionable insights and practical skills to enhance your marketing campaigns. By the end of this course, you will be able to identify the role of AI in marketing, understanding key models and ethical considerations, apply critical thinking skills for crafting prompts and evaluating outputs from generative AI, harness the power of AI to personalize customer experiences, forecast trends with predictive analytics, and make data-driven decisions to optimize marketing strategies. Unleash the full potential of AI in your marketing campaigns, driving growth and success. Join us on this transformative journey as we explore the boundless possibilities of AI in marketing. Prepare to revolutionize your approach, engage your audience on a deeper level, and achieve remarkable results.